Hey everybody, happy Thursday. Doing a Facebook Live video today on another renovation project that we're doing at 2177 Inwood Terrace. This one's also kind of halfway through. We've got about another 2.5 weeks before it is going to be on the market. This is not too far down from, I can't even think, but it's right off of Hendricks in the San Marco area. South Riverside's the community that's really in. Let's go ahead and I'll get it turned around and get you a look at it. If I can, I always forget how to turn these damn things around. All right. So this house we've had for maybe three weeks now. Again, during the holidays, these things gets a little slowed up, but we do have a new roof put on it. A little bit of demo on the landscaping that'll come in finished last. And all the windows have been replaced except for this big piece of glass in the front. 2 in the back that were already double insulated, and then there's one in the kitchen that they forgot. We're gonna have that installed in maybe a couple weeks. But this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath. It's got a 1-car carport. Very nice house, perfect for first-time home buyers. It's got a huge laundry room that is not currently heated and cooled. And we will have this one listed for about $145,000 in just a couple weeks. So perfect home for anyone that's looking to move into the San Marco region. Let's go take a look. So concrete block house. All the doors have been replaced. It does have original wood floors in the house. Our budget did not call to refinish these. It did not. We just didn't have it in it to refinish the wood floors. So we will be carpeting in the house. This little area back here, great for an office space. We'll place to drink coffee in the morning and whatnot. It will be tiled. It's a concrete slab underneath there. I'm going to peek out in the back door real quick. Huge backyard. This little back patio walkway has all new railings. Very large backyard. Spot for a burn pit. And then this is an area where I guess they maybe added it on back in the day, enclosed some storage, but it's a very large storage room. We don't currently have power on at the house. All the light fixtures have been removed, of course, but it's been reframed. Put all this new plywood up to keep it nice and clean in here. Built new steps. This actually used to be a window, and then your access point would be through the carport. So we've made it easier to access the laundry through the house now. I'll have a washer and dryer hook up here, and then you've got your water heater. And again, plenty of space to store stuff. This one's going to have a small kitchen. There's just no other way around that. But it's going to be a nicely updated kitchen, all new cabinets, refrigerator, stove. And we'll see that later on in our next walkthrough video. And then the rest of the house is pretty simple. It's a 3-bedroom. All with a little closet space and pretty standard for bedrooms here. So that'll obviously all have fresh paint, new wall fixtures, new outlets. And then the bathroom here, which is, again, sorry, it's kind of hard to see. It's late in the day now, but we've removed all the walls. They just had some old tile that was pieced together and it just looked pretty nasty. So we'll have all new drywall in there, an entire new tub surround, new vanity, new fixtures, things like that. And that's pretty much the gist of this one. It's a small house. Can't really see the carport with the dumpster in the way, but you can see it's got nice new woodwork on the ceiling. And as we mentioned, new roof. So this one will be ready in just about 2.5 weeks. We will do another walkthrough at least once it's ready, but maybe one as we're putting the fixtures up after the paint has gone in. And we'll let you guys see it then. Talk to you later.